My name is Sylvia, and I'm a senior behavior therapist at Autism Partnership Singapore. During my time here as a therapist, I've worked with a range of children and taught them varying skills across different aspects, one of which is self-help skills, and these are the basic skills that we all need in our daily lives. As parents, we all want the best for our children. One common goal we work towards is to enable our child to be independent with their everyday needs. For example, being able to use the toilet on their own, brush their own teeth, or feed themselves during meal times. Teaching self-help skills can reduce stigmatization of children with autism. Some tasks a child should be able to do by the time he attends school includes being able to wear and keep his shoes away, going to the toilet, and carrying his own snack bowl during snack time. If your child still requires extra assistance from his teacher, that might attract unwanted attention from his peers. This in turn might make it harder for him to adapt to the school environment. By teaching your child self-help skills, it helps them to be more independent in taking care of themselves at home or in school. Come join me at our upcoming complimentary talk on the 19th of October, where I will share more with you on how to effectively teach self-help skills to your child. See you there!